Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I needed to buy some parts for my E30. So I said, hey man, let's just drive to Hawthorne, pick up some parts. Pelican Parts had an open house. They allowed us to walk in and tour their shop. A lot of customers brought out their really nice Porsches and Ferraris out. There was a lot of cars in there that were in the middle of restoration or also completely restored. They allowed us to go into their main shop, which was awesome. They had a lot of nice cars in there. There was also a lot of vendors. I did order some parts while I was there. So I'm inviting you guys to join me. Let's go check it out. Just have a good day. Oh, we got race cars in here.
It's the
Oh, look at the Impala.
what's it called? Le Mans cars.
Yeah, these are Le Mans. These are all Porsche Le Mans cars. Check that out. Mid-end, mid-driven. Oh, I guess it's a Volkswagen chassis, yeah. Look at this. There it is. Blue Baker box. Real cool. Obviously sitting on a Volkswagen chassis. And look at all these Le Mans cars. Yeah, it looks like these were on the road at one time. You see all the damage right there. I mean, that Impala is dope. That flip. 356 speeds.
I saw that jukebox has like water going through it.
Does it?
That stuff. Yeah.
A lot of race cars in here. Look at the Mercedes. Look at all those tires right there. There's thousands of dollars worth of tires. And the car's bad. That one up there? That one looks like they raced it before too. It's all dirty. Look at all the signs. This is a cool garage. Oh, look at that old race car looking thing.
Oh wow, look at Uncle Goran's car.
Yeah. That 76 ball. Check out this awesome garage. Look at all those signs. Porsche, 76, that Jaguar, a bunch of, what is that? Le Mans cars. Check it out. Another 914. Little Renault action for you right now. Carrera RS. Man, look at this car. Yeah, beautiful garage. This place has some really cool signs. Look at that. I mean, not as cool as all these cars. That's probably the coolest sign here. Good old Manny Mo and Jack. Blown fire truck action. Wow, this must be the shop where they actually work on stuff. Let's check that out. Oh, look at this. Ferrari has no transmission. Check that out. There's the exhaust. There's the wheels on the car. They're trainers. You know they're going to put all that stuff in that car.
Yeah, I just spent all my money last week on motorcycles.
There's another one. All torn apart. Check out another Jaguar E36. Is that an M car? Oh, it is. E36 M3. Another Porsche. I mean, Ferrari. Porsche's up top. This is a cool lift, too. More Porsche. No, I've seen this race car Porsche at a show one time. The extended, or the fender flares. Another Renault. Is that a Renault? Oh no, Pantera. Little Ferrari action. The Porsche. Man, this place really like it seems like all they do is Porsche parts. I know, but I always buy BMW parts from there. Fuel injected Porsche.
Tony Curtis.
Another Ferrari. So look at that. Beautiful. M3. Huh?
I want to know how they got the grills back up.
Like what?
How, like they redid them.
They just paint them, I think.
I'll bet them.
Because look, this one has a Euro grill. The Euro. See how that goes all the way over?
Yeah, all the way over.
Yeah. What a beautiful car. My goodness. E30 M3. Out of all these expensive cars, that's the one I would take. Another 311. Look at that, Justin. Nice and clean, no oil leaks. And then this guy. Just look at all the engineering that it takes to stuff this big old motor back here. Looks like they replaced the motor or did a bunch of reseals. All this stuff looks new. Alright guys, that's gonna be it. I know it's kind of a weird thing to do on a Saturday to drive all the way to Hawthorne just to pick up $20 worth of parts, but I wanted to check out Pelican Parts. They had an open house and I figured it'd be a great time to do it. Check this out though. Bad little E30. Not the same year as mine, because mine doesn't have those American bumpers. Mine has plastic bumpers. But thanks for joining me guys. Hope you liked the video. It's a quick one. Catch you guys on the next one.